Are you struggling to pass the CPA exam? Did your review course fail to fit your learning style? I'm Darius Clark of I-75 CPA Review, the #1 course supplement, where the right teacher makes all the difference. All right, what do you have to know about excess business losses for REG? And these losses, they may be incurred in 2021 or maybe in 2022. Well, in 2021, the deductible limit for business losses is $262,000 for single taxpayers, increasing to $270,000 for those testing after June 30th, 2022. So single taxpayer, what's the limit for business losses? $262,000 if the question relates to 2021 tax year, but if it relates to 2022 tax year, the answer is $270,000 for the business loss deduction. It'll go up a little bit each year. The amount that's allowed as a deduction will increase a little bit each year. What about married couples filing jointly? Well, the limit would be double, $524,000 for 2021, increasing to $540,000 for those testing after June 30th, 2022. So if you get a question on excess business losses, it'll probably look like this. Fred is single and operates 2 businesses. They'll give you the year. In 2021, his Schedule C business generated a $400,000 loss, and his S-Corp's distributive share of income is $20,000. So there's his 2 businesses. One's a big loss and one's a small profit. How much of his net business loss can Fred deduct for 2021 because of the excess business loss rule? And it looks like he nets out to a $380,000 loss, but before we choose letter B, we've got to remember that there's a limit for a single taxpayer of $262,000 for 2021, which makes the correct answer D. His loss of $400,000 would be netted with the profit of $20,000. Although he lost $380,000, the maximum business loss that a single can deduct is $262,000 for the given year 2021. Yes, it increases to $270,000 for business losses incurred in 2022. Note that the disallowed amount of $118,000 will be added to Fred's NOL carry forward. So if the net loss is $380,000 and only $262,000 is deductible in 2021, the other $118,000, should they ask, would be added to Fred's NOL carry forward, going from 2021 forward to 2022. Now, if these facts were the same, but it asked about the 2022 tax year, then the answer would be $270,000 will be deductible in 2022, and the amount that would carry forward would be $380 minus $270, or $110,000. So if you're testing after June 30th, 2022, then you go with the $270,000 limit instead of the $262,000 limit. Any changes that are going to take place between the 2021 tax year and 2022 will be tested on the CPA exam starting July 1st. And they'll tell you what year it is in the facts. So here, Bernie and Fran are married, filing jointly for 2021. Fran had a business loss on her Schedule C in the amount of $600,000. Bernie had a Schedule C profit in the amount of $10,000. How much of their net business loss is deductible for 2021 because of the excess business loss rule? And what we would do is combine the $600,000 loss with the $10,000 profit, and that loss of $590,000 would be limited in 2021 to $524,000 of deduction. The rest will be considered an excess business loss. Only the $524,000 would be deductible in 2021, making letter A the correct choice. And since they asked about 2021, the disallowed amount of $66,000 will be added to any NOL carry forward. If these same facts applied to 2022, the answer would be $540,000 would be deductible for 2022, and $50,000 would not be allowed as a deduction in 2022 because of the excess business loss rule, and instead it would carry forward to 2023. How about this? Bonnie is single and has the following results from her trades and businesses for 2021 They want to know how much loss would not be allowed in 2021 due to the excess business loss rule. So what did she do? She had a dog grooming sole proprietorship. She lost $75,000. She gave therapeutic massages and made $50,000. She had a partnership and lost $375,000 from a dance studio business. How much loss would not be allowed in 2021 due to the excess business loss rule? And if you think you know, leave me the answer in the comments section. And don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps the channel out a lot. And if you need more help with individual tax or any part of the CPA reg exam, go to cpaexamtutoring.com and get yourself on I-75, the right road to passing reg, where the right teacher makes all the difference.